What's going on, guys? Let's summarize this article right here. Let's see how we can do this. So first, let's read and see what is the author is talking about. So first of all, on Earth, naturally occurring amounts of greenhouse gases cause air temperature near the surface to be about 33 degrees Celsius, 59 degrees Fahrenheit, warmer than it would be in their absence. Without the Earth's atmosphere, the Earth's average temperature would be well below the freezing temperature of the water. Temperature of water. So here, if you see, the author is talking about greenhouse gases and the importance, right? So let's look at the second paragraph. So here, the author says human activity since the Industrial Revolution has increased the amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. According to work published in 2007, the concentration of CO2 and methane have increased by 36% and 148% respectively since 1750. So here, if you notice that author is talking about human activity and how it increase the CO2 and methane. And the third paragraph, if you look at this, the author is talking about. Author says that who is responsible for global warming and who will take the initiatives. The question is simple, but no one could find the answer. The key factor is reducing it is use of renewable resources because renewable technologies can be deployed quickly, are increasingly cost effective, and create jobs while reducing population. And in the last paragraph, author is talking about solution, and also he gives a solution, that is use of renewable resources, right? So if you notice, the first paragraph is giving the introduction, and also it talks about greenhouse gases. So greenhouse gases, and the second paragraph is talking about supporting facts and research data, right? Supporting facts and research data. Research data, right? And the third one is talking about the solutions. And the next thing we have to do is, first we identified each paragraph, what are they talking about, right? And the next thing we have to do is we have to identify the key points in this article. So here, in the first paragraph, if you look at this, we have amounts of greenhouse gases and air temperature, right? So air temperature, and then also they are talking about warmer, right? Warmer. And in the second paragraph, we have human activity. That's the main thing, and it's increased by 36 to 148. And also we have amount of greenhouse gases. And what else we have? That's it. Yeah. Let's go to the third paragraph. Who is responsible and key factor in reducing, and also use of renewable resources, right? And what else? Deployed quickly and also cost effective, and create jobs while reducing pollution. So we identified the keywords right here. Now all we have to do is we have to transfer this one into our own words. The main thing is we shouldn't write anything by our own, right? Whatever the solution the author is giving, that's what we have to write. So that's the main thing we have to remember. So let's write. If I write this one, I will write like this: use of renewable sources is very important to reduce pollution because emission of greenhouse gases because emission of greenhouse gases has augmented to a greater has augmented to a greater extent as a result of human activity. Resulting in an increase in the temperature of the Earth's surface, right? So this is what the whole article is talking about, right? Use of renewable sources is very important to reduce pollution because emission of greenhouse gases has augmented. So here, if you notice that instead of increased, I just replace with augmented. So this is how we can, instead of writing the same word, we can replace, like we can write it in synonyms to a greater extent as a result of human activity resulting in an increase in the temperature of the Earth's surface. So this is how we can summarize an article. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.